My name is Christine Cockrell. I'm a native Houstonian. I was raised during my elementary years on the southwest side of town, Richmond-Rosenberg area. My junior high school years, I was raised on the southeast side of town, Friendswood, Clear Lake. Graduated from Clear Creek High School. Initially, I attended Tulane University for my freshman year. Had a great time, fell in love, decided to come home and get married, and then embarked on the tour of Texas colleges and universities, eventually graduating from University of Houston, Clear Lake. I might add, I was working full-time at this point in time, and I had my first child, my son, during undergraduate. For those people that think it's difficult to work, get your undergraduate degree, and have a child, it's possible. It may take you a long time. It took me 7 years, but I did it. Probably around my 5th year, after crying in my Cheerios every time I went to register and thinking I would never graduate, I decided I wanted to go to law school. Never to practice law. I just knew that I needed an advanced degree to be competitive. So I went immediately from undergrad into law school. I applied to one law school, South Texas College of Law. And I think I was probably one of their longest students there because it took me 5 years to get out of law school, going part-time, and I had another child. I was working full-time at Enron, traveling every other week to Hartford, Connecticut, but somehow it worked out. Prior to becoming a lawyer, originally when I went to Tulane, I was very idealistic and my major was mathematical economics with a minor in Russian. And then I realized I probably wasn't as smart as I thought I was, or at least I didn't want to work that hard. I ended up graduating with a Bachelor of Science in Environmental Management. Never used that degree. Found, or HR, I should say, HR found me, fell in love with HR. By the time I graduated law school, I had become a little bored and it needed a little spice. Some colleagues of mine had started a company, a retail electricity provider, and they needed an attorney, and I needed a job, and voila, so began my legal career. So for the first 10 years of my legal career, I was a transactional / regulatory / employment attorney. Had a wonderful time, and it afforded me a very wonderful lifestyle. However, there was always something in me that was missing. I was dealing with paper for the most part, and it wasn't necessarily affecting the lives of you and me. So I decided once my youngest entered college that I was going to do an about face and just, did the quintessential hanging out my own shingle. Didn't know really what I wanted to do. Did a little immigration, did a little family, did a little probate, estates, did a little criminal, did a little personal injury, and fell in love with criminal and personal injury. Why do I like it? I love personal injury and criminal because you get to affect the lives of individuals on a day-to-day basis. People high-five you when you do a deal well. People hug you when you do well in personal injury and criminal.
Yeah.